Welcome to day 5 of our CapCut Beginner Series. On our day 4, we learned how to add text and titles. So today, we are bringing your edit to life by adding music and sound effects. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. As usual, open your CapCut. Click on New Video. Then select your video. Tap Add. Like we said, we want to add music and sound effect to our video. So click on the audio. Click on Sounds. Here are the CapCut Music Library, both the ones on top and below. So you can select from any of the sounds. Also, if you don't like any of the sounds here, let's go back. You are free to search for the one you like, okay? Just click on the search bar and then search for the music you want. Let's search for Show Music. Once you are done, click on the plus button to add. So that's the sound. If you don't want to use CapCut music, maybe you have music you saved in your device, and for you to use that sound in your device, you need to click on Extract. Let's delete this sound first. Tap on the sound and then click on Delete. Now tap Extract. Next, select the sound you saved in your device. It may be a sound you saved from a video. Then tap here to add the sound. Boom, the sound is added. Now, if there's any way something happened in the video and you want to lay emphasis on it, it may be a text or anything, like this one. All you need to do there is to add sound effects. Just tap Sound Effect. Then select any sound effect you like. Once that is done, click on the plus button to add. Boom, it has added. You can increase or decrease the volume of the sound effect. Just tap on it, then click on the volume. To increase the volume, drag the button forward, then tap on the check mark. Let's play the video. Also, if you want to reduce the volume, just repeat the process. Tap on the sound effect, click on the volume, then drag it backwards. Click on check mark. The volume is not supposed to be too high so that your audience will be hearing what you are saying. Let's play the video once more. Then another thing you need to know is this. If your video is longer than the sound you added, you need to make the sound to get to the end of the video by duplicating it. And to do that, click on the sound on the timeline. Then tap Duplicate. Let's check the video. The sound is now longer than the video. Just tap the sound on the timeline, then click on Split. And finally, tap Delete. Also, if you want to reduce the volume of the music, tap on it, then click on the volume. Drag it backwards to your satisfaction, and then hit on the check mark. Also, if you want to hide the volume, repeat the process, okay? Tap on the sound, click on the volume, drag it forward, and then click on check mark. Easy peasy. And that's it. Now your videos sound as good as they look. From me for day 6, we will add filters and color grading next. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and leave your comment in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye.